This is going to blow your mind. The Jabra Evolve 285 UC wireless headphones are the ultimate game changer for professionals. Introducing the Jabra Evolve 285 UC wireless headphones, designed for professionals who demand the best. These headphones feature advanced noise cancellation technology that reduces background noise by a whopping 54%, letting you focus on what truly matters. Whether you're on a call or grooving to your favorite tunes, the powerful 40mm speakers and 10 microphone system ensure impeccable sound quality. Comfort? Check. The memory foam ear cups and lightweight design make all-day wear feel like a breeze. With up to 37 hours of battery life, these headphones are ready to power through even the longest workdays. Certified to work seamlessly with all major unified communications platforms, Microsoft Teams, Cisco, Avaya, you name it. Plus, the discreet boom arm and busy light keep distractions at bay, letting colleagues know when you're deep in the zone. So whether you're at home, in the office or on the go, the Jabra Evolve 285 offers the perfect blend of comfort, functionality and top-notch audio performance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Jabra Evolve 2 85 UC wireless headphones today. Thanks for watching.